Ma'am,
Am I audible? Am I
yes,
audible to you,
yes, ma'am.
participants? Yes? Okay, fine. Thank you. Fine. Now I'm going to direct the screen sharing part and moving towards what I wanted to share. Host disable participant screen sharing. Who is the host right now? Sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Padmakar sir, I am sharing the whole screen right now. You are disabling me.
1 minute, ma'am.
Host disable participant.
Yes,
Allow
ma'am.
me to share the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and all other participants, please mute yourself. Completely mute yourself. Completely mute yourself. Okay, fine. I'll go to share the screen. Sharing of the screen we are moving towards, and I'll show you some of the slides. Very interesting slide. All have seen the movie, right? All have seen the movie, and keep all of you go on mute, please. All of you go on mute, please. All of you go on mute. I request you, please go on mute. Everybody go on mute. So today's presentation is on organizational behavior, and today we will talk about the leadership and the leader's traits and the qualities of the leader. We all are leaders right now. Uma ma'am, Radhika ma'am, director ma'am, myself, leading an entire group of team of teachers. And I'm talking about two very famous characters, and we all know the character Bhuvan. Bhuvan played the role of Lagan, a very famous character, and how well played. He played an unskilled game cricket, which he never played in his life. Same is the pandemic 2019. We never had this game in our life, how to play this game. Like Bhuvan himself played this game, learned how to play a ball bat, never saw how to play a ball bat. Yes, he played Gilli Danda. So Himself as a leader, he learned a game and chose one team with 11 members, selected 11 members, and started to direct them how to play the game and proudly won the match. The same thing happened with Kabir Khan from the movie Chak De India. He directed the game players, the 16 players who were from different linguistic areas, regional areas, coming from different areas and backgrounds of country, and leading from outside. They have been taken to one track. They were taken to one track how to go for a gold, one for the country, play the game for the country. So these two leaders are exactly what they have done, same way we three leaders are doing according to what the directions are. Management, they have outward way of looking at the life and the school they wanted to grow Hallmark as. So today I will talk about my point of view, how I am taking COVID-19, or how I wanted to see COVID-19 game to be played by my selected team of 45 teachers, and how I wanted to go ahead with my 45 teachers in this next few months of this pandemic. So don't laugh it when I will take away this session. And while it is not often that movies offer more than entertainment, ever so often there come movies which can make a deeper impact and teach us a few things, right? A movie doesn't only play important in playing and giving us entertainment values, but they all teach us the lessons of management. Our presentation takes a different path as we share what we learned from these movies. Today I will only talk about this movie, and it is about like each of us, we are taking our life so ordinarily. Pandemic has come. We are only taking our lives as we are socially, as we are taking our lives. We are taking our ordinary lives as we are teachers, but then too we are taking our life as ordinary. Who, when the moment demands extraordinary deeds, it is about the power of a team. Now here we are talking about teaching quality, teaching online remote learning. Today we are talking about Squiggle. Today we are talking about Flipgrid. Today we are talking about upgraded online learning tools, technology where we need to map out with our pedagogy. Why we are talking about? Because I also never played this game. I also, nobody taught me this game. My husband did not teach me. My in-laws did not teach me. My father did not teach me this game. I passionately learn about it, that tomorrow if I am not going to have my job, what I'm going to have it for my family. This is my bread and butter. If I'm not going to update myself tomorrow, how I'm going to face my interview, and somebody will ask me, what have you done in COVID-19? How have you taught your children? What skills have you updated? What capabilities and abilities and skills and competencies have you upgraded yourself? Am I going to answer it practically? Am I going to demonstrate it in front of my management, where I'm going to tomorrow give my interview, or tomorrow I'm going to stand in front of you as a principal? Am I going to justify myself as a principal if I go ahead with the same type of pattern? So this is the story about the resilience shown by the Indians at that time. The same thing was going on. And when they were under the British rule, why the voice came out? Because such type of people like Bhuvan, who did this drastic things ahead, people took up a leadership skill when Captain announced that he double the text from all villagers. They decided to oppose it, and leading the villagers is a handsome young man named Bhuvan, who challenges them to game of a cricket, a game that is to be played by veteran British cricket players. Oh my God, how wonderful the players were. Was it that a Bhuvan and the small villagers going to play for this opposite team? They were veteran players. They know how to play the game. There was that their game, Britishers' game. They know their rules, regulation, game, skills, and everything. And these people were not knowing anything about the game. But then too, he took a challenge, accepted the challenge into opportunity for the village people, and not only for the Champaner, for entire India. It became a huge opportunity. So Bhuvan, who challenges them to game of a cricket, a game that is to be played by veteran British cricket players versus these villagers, including Bhuvan himself. He did not sit outside the ground and said, okay, thank you, sir. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So, sir, every time when the screen goes away, you need to make me on.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So, uh, uh, how do I make my screen shorter? Okay. So, when I talk about, I mean, yes, fine. This was a screen, right? So it is about all myriad emotions. And the best part is that it is very realistic, making it all about more believable that yes, you can win the gold. Because India in the hockey team never we won the gold. It is a story of leadership, teamwork, and a sweet, very sweet taste of success. Kabir Khan is newly appointed coach. Nobody in Indian national hockey team wanted a male coach to be appointed for the women's team to coach them. of Indian national hockey team, because the former captain of Indian hockey team who was ever forgotten, who was a Kabir Khan, and he was chance to be himself in his country and his team to be the winning stand. Once again, he wanted an Indian team to stand for his own image. He wanted to bring back the team India to win the gold. But this time, all he gets is a bunch of girls who do not really being in playing for the glory, victory, and the country. They wanted to play the game for a job, for a quarter, railway quarter, or for a family benefit, or for some extra benefits from the government. But nobody wanted to play the game for the glory, victory, and for the country. He has a team that lacks the spirit, so as we also just said, with the spirit of teaching, passion, Kabir shakes them up to wake up the winning spirit. We also do this. I also used to do this. The leaders also used to do this. They shake your spirit. The girls, however, have their own interest. They are more into their things than playing hockey. Kabir motivates them to look beyond these ordinary things and to play the game for pride, glory, and victory. Thus, Kabir proves to be a great leader. So we also used to be little great every day by making ourselves learn something, making our teachers to do something positive for the children. Now, what are the leadership skills of the Bhuvan's strategy? What he used to do is he think of problems as opportunities. What he has done when Captain Russell challenges Bhuvan to a cricket match. Bhuvan accepted it very easily. Because he knows that there is really no option. COVID-19 came on 20 when I was on lockdown period, and 19 was my last day. On 24th, I called my director. My director, ma'am, I called, ma'am, can we do something? Can I go for online teaching? And by 29th, I don't think Hallmark World School was the only first school in the entire Gorakhpur where my secondary school started online teaching. I don't think any other school started in the March month. I was the only school which we go for the online teaching by Zoom. So I didn't wait for any other option because really there was no option for me. So I talked with Radhika ma'am, I talked with director ma'am, and they were open to this. There was no really option. So we think about the problem, and the problem became an opportunity for us. So it is a risk, but without taking risk, there are no rewards. And today rewards are there. At least some pieces of positive things we can see. Some admissions are there, and admissions are there not because we are not doing anything. Yes, because we are doing something. We are teaching far better than what others are teaching. Bhuvan was having a dream. He used to dream big and define the goal. So I also used to do this, and I also transform this to every leader and every teacher that dream big and try to define your goal, why you are teaching today this topic. What is your goal of teaching particular this way? Instead of teaching book, I used to say every day, but I don't think any teacher is changing the way of teaching. Once Bhuvan accepted the challenge, his dream was 3 years, no tax. No tax is a big thing. It may have seemed unrealistic or even improbable, but then what's the dream was then other than that? He not only dreamt big, but also put in place a strategy to make that a reality. Give examples to enhance understanding. The leader always used to give examples, illustrations. Even though Bhuvan didn't know the difference at that time, he simplified the challenge of learning cricket by portraying it as something similar to a gilli danda. I also audible? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So, giving example is the best way that we all are teachers. We know how to teach. We are experienced 5 year, 10 year, 15 year, 20 year. We know face-to-face teaching, and that's why we have taken a challenge of teaching online. And we know we can make it out so simple. We can simplify teaching. It is not that only textbook is required to teach. Without textbook, presentations, videos, best way, impactful videos, PowerPoint, very impactful. Go out from this way of teaching and hopefully you can do more better. More advanced way of teaching can help you out. I would move ahead with other slide. Bhuvan made a beginning, like we made a beginning. We did